So Goa Tourism presents its 6th edition of the Spirit of Goa Festival from 2nd of May to 4th of May at SAG Ground, Kolwa. Now this festival aims to promote homegrown distilleries and diversity of Goan spirit and local cuisine. Festival will include a masterclass on traditional food preparation and exotic cocktail mixing. This festival will also have a Feni Experience Center featuring top Goan distillers and Kaju stomping activity for fun and engagement. We will have live demos of Goan art and craft. Also, this festival will have a musical band performing on all 3 days. And this festival is aimed at celebrating Goa's rich spirit culture and culinary heritage. Yeah. So I request all of you to please attend this festival in large number.
सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टुरिझम गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा सरकार गोंयाभर फेस्टिवल करता आनी फुडल्या म्हयन्यान आमी स्पिरीट ऑफ गोवा फेस्टिवल कोलवा करता आनी तुमच्या माध्यमा कडल्यान आमी मागता ही खबर सगळ्यांक गोंयकारांक टुरिस्टांक सांगचें की 3 दिसाचे फेस्त आहा म्हणून आनी मोठे ताड्यान येवचे म्हणून. There will be emphasis on cuisine, there will be emphasis on heritage drink, there will be emphasis on quality music, promotion of our local culture, cuisine, and this is specially kept on a Friday, Saturday, Sunday so that families can come, children can come, and we can portray, practice and showcase Goa's rich tradition, Goa's rich spirit, and we request all of you to come in large numbers to make it a grand success and experience Goa's rich spirit and celebrate the festival spirit of Goa.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.